Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be showing you how to create your WordPress website in Amazon AWS EC2 instance. So let's get started. First, I'm clicking on sign in to the console. Here I am signing in as a root user. My email address is already written. I'm pressing next. Here I am entering my password. Alright, so this is the management console of AWS. Here I'll click on EC2 instance. Now click on the instance. Here I'll click on launch instance. Okay, on the left hand side you can see there's a quick start, and the second option is of AWS marketplace. So select this option and then in the upper text box write WordPress. So the first option appears, which is in free tier, is WordPress certified by Bitnami. So I'm selecting this option. Press continue. You can choose an instant type here, which is appearing. I'm selecting this one, the T2.micro, one CPU of 2.5 gigahertz and 1 GB of RAM. So configure instant details. You can configure the instant details here, but for time being I'm uh, leaving it as it is. Add the storage. The storage selected is currently of 10 GB. Remember that for hosting the WordPress website, you need at least 10 GB of the volume. So I'm making it 15 GB. The minimum is of 10 GB. Okay. So I'm press next. Here you can add a tag. So I'm entering a key name and the value is WordPress. Now next. Here I can configure the security group. By default, the HTTPS is enabled, which works on port 80. Basically, your website will be gaining traffic from the outside, so this port must be enabled along with the HTTPS, the 443 protocol. So here I am pressing next, the review and launch button. Wait, create a new security group. Create an existing security group. I think it's fine. We'll create this new security group. Okay, review and launch. So here are the review launch details of the instance. So I'm pressing launch. So here I am creating a new key pair by the name WordPress. Download key pair. Alright, so it's downloaded. Now launch instance. So it will take a while to launch this instance. Okay, so view instance. Okay, so this is our instance which is in pending state right now. And these are the details, the instance summary, the instance details, AMI ID. This is the instance summary, the public uh, IP version 4 address. So I'm clicking on, let that option be appear first, the connect option. Okay, so I'm pressing connect. So now I want to log in to this system, to this EC2 instance. So for that I'm using the software putty. I've already installed it on my system. First I will generate the private key. So for that I'm using the putty gen software. You can install both the putty and puttygen software by going to this link, putty.org, download putty. Here, click on this link. This is the putty.exe 64-bit. You'll have to download this file, and then you'll have to download the puttygen.exe, this file. So I have downloaded and installed both of these. So let me go back. Okay, so here the key, the PEM file which I have downloaded, I will have to load it here. All files. This is the WordPress.pem file. Okay, and now I'll press the save private key, and I am also naming it WordPress in the downloads folder. Save. So it's now safe. I can close it from here. Now I'll open the Putty software. Okay, so here I'll enter the host IP. The host IP or the DNS, which I can also enter, is this one. Copied. Yeah, paste. But before that, we'll write Bitnami. Bitnami and then the DNS name of this instance. The port is 22, which is fine. The next option we'll be going to is of SSH. In the SSH, we'll click on authorization, and here we will browse to that PPK file which we just created. The putty private key file. So select this, open, and then open. So now it's connecting to the instance. Press yes. Alright, so now we are connected to our instance. This is the IP address 172.31.26.224, and we have logged in to our instance using putty. So now if we go to this IP address, let me go to IP address. This IP, advance, proceed. So here is our WordPress website, which is created in no time by using the Bitnami WordPress. Here you can see the not secure, the SSL is currently not configured, which I'll show you in the next videos how to configure that. If we want to log into the WP admin, basically it's a front end. So if we want to configure it to install the theme and plugins, we'll have to go to the back end. So for that, I'm writing the WP-admin. Okay, for username and password, we'll go to the instant details here. I'm selecting the instance, and then there is an option of monitor and troubleshoot in the actions, the last option, and the first one is get system log. So create on this one. So this is the system log which is created, and here I'll go up, and this is my username and this is my password, which I'll be entering in the WP admin area. So let me enter it. Let me first take the password. The username is user and the password pasted. Login. So now I have entered into the dashboard. You can view your website here. This is the front end. This is the back end. You can also click on the plugins you want to install, and also the themes uh, which you want to install for your website. So this was all about installing WordPress on the newly created EC2 instance, quite quickly in fact. So you guys should also practice it yourself and do tell me your feedback in the comments. So thank you very much for watching.